Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to find friends on Discord. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, make sure you have already downloaded Discord app on your device. Once you download it, open up it, and here you can see chat icon on top left corner. Tap on chat icon, and here you can see source icon. Simply tap on it, and now here search for the particular person by username. So I wanna find my friend Smrita, so simply tap on it, and here you can see the profile of Smrita. So if you wanna message her, you can message her. So in this way you can find your friend with username on Discord. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.